Hubby's gonna back her out for me. Still not too sure about this backing thing. Too many walls and cars and bushes in my way. I'm just a big old chicken. That's all there is to it. I'm a chicken. Doesn't he look so cute on there? Almost as cute as me. Let's see what's going on behind us. Nothing's going on in front of us. Oh, I killed it. I forgot he had it going. I was going to practice just to make sure I can crank it. Okay. Got that one by. Alrighty, here we go. We're going to go to iHop this morning. My first foray into places where lots of cars are moving around. And see how that goes. See if I can do this without crying. That's my goal. No tears in motorcycling. Surely. They don't know me very well. Okay, nobody coming. It feels awesome this morning. Gorgeous fall day. I say it's going to get windy later on today, so I won't be riding when it's windy later on today. You awake back there, aren't you? No napping while motorcycling. This is like some little rules, you know. No napping, no crying. Oh my goodness, take all the fun out of everything. I don't really have a clue where I'm going, so. Okay, I know. I knew you were going to tell me that. I'm fogging up. Okay, alright, that's what I thought I was doing. So this morning we got these gaiters on around our neck so that when we get to the iHop place, we don't have to have a separate mask. Hubby thought of everything. Have to train myself to make sure I stop, full stop. I mean, not that I don't do that in a car, but, you know, if there's nobody coming, it seems easy to let that slide, and can't do that, so. And I don't even know what the speed limit is back here in the woods. Then we got the big houses over here, and we got wood, you know, little farmy things right here on the left. With, you know, their junk in the backyard. You know, it is what it is. My gosh, this feels good. I was afraid it was going to be cold, but the gloves make a huge difference, because yesterday I didn't have any gloves on and I had icicles for fingers, so that was a boo-boo. Learned my lesson. Oh, and I didn't wear tennis shoes today because, you know, I'm going to encounter a little bit more traffic than yesterday. So I got my boots on, my fuzzies on today. Hopefully. Oh, you don't have a windshield. Just a hair. Right, okay, I got 2 cars coming. Oh, I have 4 cars coming. I told Richard this morning or last night, I said, so I'm going to do this on the big road, and I need one of them great big tails, you know, like you put on, you know, like when we did the big CB radio thing, and put on their newbie. Stay away. He didn't think that was a good idea, but I don't know, it seemed kind of logical to me, but so I don't know what the speed limit is here. 40? Okay. Alright. Well, I'm doing 36, so I I'm okay, right? Okay. This is okay. It's not too bad. Okay, I don't want to go there. I think my road's up here. My goodness, I'm just like I'm in a road. I'm on a real road. Me, the biggest chicken of all times. Was that a better corner? Oh, yay! Yay me! Oh gosh, I'm out here with the big people. I feel like I should get a ribbon or something. And I'm really working on making sure I use my blinker every time I turn. You know, just, you know, I want to be seen. You know, another reason to have one of those great big flags. Where should I park? Where gonna be parked? But I gotta back if I park up there. I know, but I can't reach the thing that makes it go backwards. Oh dear God, no, I can't do that because I don't have that locking parking brake yet. Okay, no, I'm gonna have to go up there. Oh dear heavenly days. Oh, I went by 2, but there's one up here. Nope, that has stripes in it. Okay. And that is takeout, so I'm gonna have to make the circle and find a place. We may have to go over to the dentist and eat after all that. I didn't look at there, but gosh, my visor's all fogged up. Lord, I need a keeper. I may have to have a secretary. Yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna go back around here, and you know, somebody probably took this one already. Oh no, they did not. So I can park right here with the big people. Let me go put her name on the list. I mean, you know, don't let me forget to get my purse out.
Jacob, party of 3, Jacob.
Oh, thank you. Got us on the list. She didn't say, you know, how long. These sunglasses don't fit on here very well. My red ones fit in there really well, and I don't know why, and those broke. It was the only pair that just slid right in real easy. I don't know what the difference was, but you know. Oh, really? Oh, yeah, it slides right in. But they're not pretty. They don't come in colors. It's really hard to accessorize with unpretty sunglasses. Yeah.